Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare JetBrains versus Visual Studio Code. We'll dive into their core functionalities, examining how each tool approaches software development. We'll explore their distinct philosophies, from JetBrains' comprehensive, all-in-one IDEs to Visual Studio Code's lightweight, extensible editor. This comparison will help you understand which environment best suits your coding needs and workflow, providing insights into their strengths and ideal use cases. JetBrains offers a deeply integrated experience with powerful refactoring, debugging, and testing tools built right in, often tailored for specific languages like Java or Python. Visual Studio Code, on the other hand, thrives on its vast marketplace, boasting hundreds of thousands of extensions. This allows for incredible customization and support for virtually any language or framework, making it highly adaptable to diverse projects and developer preferences. When it comes to performance, JetBrains IDEs, with their extensive feature sets, typically require more system resources, often utilizing several gigabytes of RAM. Visual Studio Code is generally much lighter, designed for speed and efficiency, often consuming only a few hundred megabytes. This difference can significantly impact your machine's responsiveness, especially on less powerful hardware, influencing your overall development experience and productivity. Regarding cost, JetBrains products operate on a subscription model, offering various plans for individual IDEs or a complete suite. Visual Studio Code is entirely free and open source, making it accessible to everyone. Both boast strong communities. JetBrains provides professional support and extensive documentation, while Visual Studio Code benefits from a massive, active open-source community, contributing to its development and extension ecosystem.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.